Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like and share, and please do not forget to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so I am a Cameroonian YouTuber based in China. I am also a hairstylist here. So if you are new to this channel, in this channel we do mostly wig installs, lifestyle in China, and braids and other things. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing videos like this, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please, on today's video we are going to be installing this week, which my client bought from a Chinese woman on WeChat. She actually wore this wig for the first time by herself, and this time around she wants me to wear it for her. So if you want to see how I did this, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
J'ai fait une chute depuis longtemps. Baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. J'ai fait une chute depuis longtemps.
So by the way guys, this is a new product I am introducing. It's a lace tint spray. I'm actually testing this one to see if it's going to work for most of my clients. So I have a sample which I got from the factory. I will be testing it on my clients, so at least we have three categories of shades. My clients are of three categories of shades, so I'm trying to test it for the dark, caramel, and the light skin people. So for this one is for the dark skin, so I will try it on her. When I sprayed it on that thing, on that lace thing, it was too thick because the fabric on that thing is too thick, but when you use it on your wig, it's going to be lighter. So I'll try it and then make a conclusion on which ones I'll be using on my clients. So you guys, I already have a video on my channel on how to do your ball cap method. So this is just a skin protecting gel which I'm using to clean out the oil and also protect her skin from the adhesive, the glue. And I'm going to put 3 coats of Bold Hold Active on her hair, on her hairline, where I'm going to stick the lace, and I'll let it dry clear before I stick her wig on it. So you just have to watch as I'm doing. I've been doing this in so many videos, which is just like I'm repeating myself all the time. You might want to check my other videos where I installed wigs and all that. So please, when you are done, you can also check my channel, and please do not forget to watch these videos to the end. Okay, so like I said, the wig, she wore the wig before, and normally if I have to install a wig on a client, the client needs to send the wig 3 days in advance. So she sent the wig, and I had already prepared it, washed, conditioned, and also did so many things ready for install. So the baby hair was already fixed on the mannequin head like that, so waiting for her to come and I install it. So after the adhesive was dry clear, I had to stick the wig on her hairline where it's supposed to be, and then I'll have to press it very well with the comb I have, and then cut the extra lace. Since she did it the first time, she didn't cut the extra lace at her ear part, so I had to cut the extra lace and then go along with my install. So I always say I always tell my clients to get a hot comb. You need a hot comb when you are doing and you want to have a perfect install. You need your hot comb. So I have to use the hot comb to separate the hair from the baby hair, and also press down the part where she wanted the middle part. Actually, she wanted to maintain the middle part because that's how the wig came. So for those of you out of China, you want the same wig, I can help you get it, or we can custom make yours. So this is how the wig came, and you have to use the hot comb and take away all the flying hair, and also use your wax stick to press it down. Actually, wax stick acts as a heat protector to your hair. So I always advise my client, I always advise you guys to use Gus to be spray to mold down your hair. When you do this method, it changes the entire game because it makes it sink, it makes the lace sink into your skin, and then you use your elastic band to press it really well so that it should sink into your skin. That's what we are trying to achieve. So after that, since I told you guys I had already styled the wig before she came, so I'll just still go ahead and straighten the hair and cut out, and then I'll do a little bit of cut because it was a little bit longer, so that it should be at the level where she wanted it. So for the baby hairs, I always cut the baby hair part. I always cut it really short so that it should look natural. And I'm always using, for those client who cannot maintain baby hairs, I always try to use Got to Be. Please, you guys, ignore my scissors. I was looking for the shorter one, I couldn't find it. So I always use Got to Be gel, the one in the black bottle, to make the baby hair. That one always makes the baby hair last longer. So that's what I used in this video to do her baby hair. When it comes to baby hairs, I have a video showing how to do baby hairs on a wig. You might want to check that one. And also you can see how I'm doing on my on this video and follow suit, because baby hairs doesn't really have a definition. Some people have it, they have their own way of doing it. So this is my own way of doing mine. So after doing the baby hairs, you have to let it dry. You can use your hand dryer to dry it, and then I used my makeup to define the part, since she wanted the middle part, so I had to use the makeup to define the part. And then that was it. We are done with our install. So guys, if you are in China, Shanghai, or around Shanghai, you want to get yourself an install, you can buy a wig from anywhere and then you send to me for customization before you get here. You book your appointments. And also, if you are out of China, you want the same wig, you might check my description box. I have a link that says to order a wig. You can order yourself a wig. And then for those in China, you can add me on WeChat with the name Stacy Benz. My WeChat ID is Stacy Benz. My Instagram page is Stacy Benz Wigs. You might want to follow me also. And also, if you want to get personal with me, you can add me on Snapchat, because that's where I do everything. All my job, my day-to-day activities are on Snapchat. So this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. You might also want, I would appreciate if you tell me what you want to see next. I will do it for you guys. Thank you. Bye.